How to activate Frozen Money credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Frozen Money credit card. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for activate Frozen Money credit card. After you search for that, you can simply find the official site like where it says activate a card or set up your credit card. Simply tap on that, and from the section you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option get started, and from the section you'll have to just tap on the option activate your card. Simply from the section you'll have to just provide your 16-digit credit card number. After you provide your credit card number here, simply tap on continue. After that, you'll be able to activate your Frozen Money credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.